गोपेश गोपीकांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। सभी बोलिए
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
और एक बार
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण आज हमारी कथा का कौन सा दिन? चतुर्थ दिवस।
Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran, today is the 4th day of our Bhagavad.
मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम
In yesterday's katha, we heard about Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram.
कथा के उपरांत जब मैं बाहर
After katha, when I was going,
तो यहाँ हरिद्वार के बहुत सारे
so here,
निवासी हैं,
many people of
जो
Haridwar
आसपास रहते हैं,
who reside here,
वो मेरे को मिले
they met me.
और सबने कहा कि ऐसे
And they
राम
all
कथा
said
हमने आज तक नहीं
that we have never heard such Ram Katha.
हमने बहुत राम कथा सुनी और कितनी माता तो रो रही थी। तो मैंने उनको क्या उत्तर दिया?
We heard many Ram Katha, but so many Matajis, they were crying also. I answered them that I did not make this Ram
ये
Katha.
तो महर्षि वाल्मीकि जी के द्वारा रचित।
This was written by Maharshi Valmiki ji. And secondly,
मैंने जिन गुरुमुख से श्रवण किया, जिन गुरुदेव से सुना,
that Gurudev from whom I heard this,
वैसे के वैसे मैंने दोहरा दिया।
I just repeat it at once
तो
in the
इससे
same
सारा
way.
श्रेय जाता है
So that's why all credit goes
उन
to
गुरुजनों को जिन्होंने हमको इस राम लीला से अवगत कराया।
so
ये श्रेय जाता है भगवान श्री राम को।
all this credit goes to Shri Ram.
तो हम लोग कैसे जानते हैं कि राम लीला क्या है?
So if he would have not performed his pastimes,
जिनका जन्म त्रेता युग में हुआ, दूसरी ओर
one side
लीला पुरुषोत्तम श्री कृष्ण
Shri Ram who took birth in Treta Yuga,
जो कि द्वापर युग में आए,
and another side Leela Purushottam Shri Krishna who came in Dwapar Yuga.
द्वापर युग में
Around 5,000 years back in Dwapar Yuga,
इस पृथ्वी पर
Shri Krishna,
उन्होंने जन्म लिया।
he took birth on this planet.
भागवत का जो विषय
Today,
है,
the topic of our Bhagavatam
वह श्री कृष्ण है।
is Shri Krishna.
कल का विषय श्री राम जी था और मर्यादा की उस
So,
सीमा को कल हम लोगों ने सुना। आज हम लीला पुरुषोत्तम श्री कृष्ण
We heard the
इस
topmost
संसार में आने के कुछ कारणों को श्रवण करते हैं। भगवान आते हैं तो आते क्यों हैं? देखो,
Today we will hear the reason of why the Lord comes into this world. See, we will hear Krishna's birth pastime, but before that, let's hear the reason for it.
जो श्री कृष्ण के मुख से निकली है,
Shri Gita ji, which came out from the lotus mouth of Krishna, which is
गीता जी में श्री कृष्ण ने कहा, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति
his own words. In that, Shri Krishna has said, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati
मैं
bharata,
आता हूँ,
that every
मैं
time
अवतार लेता हूँ,
when dharma
और मैं धर्म की स्थापना करता हूँ। और दूसरी
gets
बात श्री कृष्ण कह रहे हैं,
demolished, I come, take birth, I appear in this world.
साधु को परित्राण करने के लिए
Now, to deliver the sadhus and those who are bad people, to kill them, I take birth.
ये भगवान के आने का
This is
कोई मुख्य कारण नहीं है।
not the real reason for the Lord to come.
अब जब आ ही गए हो तो फिर ध्यान से सुनी लो।
Now, if you have come, then hear it
किसी
carefully.
को बताने लायक तो रहेंगे। कोई आपका मित्र मिल जाए, भाई भागवत की क्या सुना?
If some person asks
भैया तो आपकी बड़ी सुंदर भागवत कर रहे हैं।
that, oh,
पता लगे अगले साल सुमिति बैठ के भागवत कर रहे हैं।
what you have heard in Bhagavad, so then you can also speak. It may happen that Sumit ji is speaking Bhagavatam next year and we are hearing, sitting back on the chairs.
है ना? हमारी सारी मंडली नीचे बैठेगी। गाने वाले हमारे गोगिया जी, बंसल जी सभी
And then the Kirtaniya will be our Gogia ji and Bansal ji.
अलग ही रस आएगा।
So there will be a different rasa.
ये श्री कृष्ण के आने के गौण कारण है।
So these are the external reasons of Krishna to come.
अच्छा, ये मुख्य और गौण क्या होता है?
But what are the primary reasons, internal reason? What is primary and secondary?
हरिद्वार में
In Haridwar,
सुंदर सुहावने तट पर
at this beautiful banks
गोविंद घाट पर
of Ganges, at Govind Ghat, our Bhagavad ji is going on.
भगवत जी को हम श्रवण कीर्तन
We are hearing Bhagavad ji.
और सभी लोग भागवत सुनने ही आए थे। मैं सबसे पहले किसी और को प्रणाम करूं ना करूं,
First of all, I pay my humble obeisances to someone or not. I pay obeisances to all of you, the audience. So you clap hand for yourself only.
यदि आप लोग ना आओ
If you guys don't come, if you all don't come, then I will speak katha to whom?
इससे जो वक्ता होता
So that's why the speaker,
है श्रोताओं को
he is
ऋणी होता है।
always indebted to the audience and the audience is always indebted to the
ये दोनों
speaker. That's the relationship between two of
आपके
them.
यहाँ पर आने का जो कारण
Now the reason for your coming here is Bhagavad Katha. But on the way,
चलो थोड़ी सी
you got some grocery shop and you bought some grocery also.
तो दवाई लेना
So
मुख्य कारण नहीं था।
taking that grocery, taking the medicine on the way was not the real purpose. It came on the way, so you just bought the vegetables and medicine as well.
ऐसे ही श्री कृष्ण के आने का
In the same way, Shri Krishna's
मुख्य कारण
coming, his arrival, there is one primary reason and another is secondary reason. What is the secondary reason? To establish dharma
असुरों को मारना, ये भगवान
and also to kill the demons. These are not the primary reasons for the Lord to come.
तो उनके आने का विशेष कारण क्या है?
So what is the primary reason?
अब इसको सुनो।
Now listen carefully.
प्रेम रस निर्जास को
प्रेम रस निर्जास करिते आस्वादन, राग मार्ग भक्ति लोके करिते प्रचारन.
अपने ही परिवार के साथ
By one's own
भगवान के
family,
सखा बंधु
the parents, the father, mother,
उनके साथ ही यहाँ पर आते हैं, उनके साथ ही लीला करते हैं। प्रेम का जो रेसिप्रोकेशन है, आदान प्रदान है,
the reciprocation of love
उनको आनंद देना
that the Lord
और उनको
has,
आनंद देके फिर उससे फिर आनंद लेना,
and then because of
ये है श्री कृष्ण
that reciprocation, exchanging rasa with each other. So this is the primary reason for the Lord to come.
बड़ी बात है।
Who is taking birth? That's the main thing.
हम लोग जन्म लेते हैं, कोई बड़ी
See,
बात नहीं,
we all take birth. That's not a big thing. We have to take birth.
लेकिन जो अजन्मा
But
है,
that personality who is
जो जन्म और
beyond birth and death,
वे जन्म लेके
he
देखा
is
है,
taking birth.
ये बड़ी बात है।
This is the big thing.
ध्यान देना इस बात।
Try to understand this point.
हम लोग जन्म लेते हैं, कौन सी बड़ी बात
See, we are taking birth. It's not a big deal.
जन्म हो जाता है
Oh, we take
माता-पिता
birth
के संग से।
by the association of our parents.
लेकिन श्री कृष्ण उनका जन्म
But Shri
ऐसे नहीं
Krishna,
होता
he
जैसे
don't
हम
take
लोगों का।
birth like a normal human being.
श्री कृष्ण के पिता हैं श्री नंद बाबा
Krishna's father is Nand Baba
और उनकी मैया का नाम
and
है
his
यशोदा।
mother's name is Yashoda Maya.
तो भगवान का
So,
जन्म भी ऐसे
the
होता है
Lord,
जैसे हम लोगों का होता
he
है।
takes birth like us
पिता के संग से
by the association of, by the union of mother and father. No.
विशुद्ध सत्य
The Lord comes in the heart which is beyond
वह श्री नंद
mode of
बाबा
goodness also, Vishuddha Sattva.
के दिल में आते हैं।
So he comes at the heart of Nanda Baba and from his heart he goes to Yashoda Maya's heart and from her heart, from his heart he goes to
संत के कारण नहीं होता।
from Yashoda Maya's heart he goes into the womb. So from heart to heart it happens, this transfer happens.
ये है भगवान के आने का
This is the primary reason. This is the way how the Lord comes. This is the way. In that Gita only the Lord has said, Avajanti ma mura manusham tanumashrita.
कि मैं कोई साधारण हूँ,
Those who consider that I am ordinary, they are actually the most foolish people.
जन्म कर्म चाह में दिव्य
Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvata.
गीता जी में भगवान ने
In Gita ji the Lord has said, my janma also
वो दिव्य हैं,
and my pastime also, they are divine.
लेकिन ऐसा लगता है
And it appears
कि साधारण रूप से
that
नहीं लिया जा रहा।
ordinarily I am taking birth,
जिसके बारे में
but
सुन रहे हैं,
the personality about whom we all are hearing,
वो सृष्टि करता है।
He is the Supreme Lord. He is the Lord of the whole world. He creates. This whole world is created by Him. And what to speak of us?
ये सारा विश्व ब्रह्मांड,
This whole world.
ये तो एक विश्व ब्रह्मांड है, ऐसे करोड़ों खरबों विश्व ब्रह्मांड उनके रोम रोम से प्रकट हो गए।
So thousands and thousands of
वे हैं श्री कृष्ण चंद्र। ये भगवान
universes, it appears from the Lord. So this is the primary reason for Lord's arrival.
इसे भागवत जी
So
के
that's
भाग
why
में
in the start of Bhagavad Ji,
क्या कहा?
it is said, what is said? Janma dasya yataha anvyad itarvatascha abhigyaswarat.
श्रीमद् भागवत जी के आरंभ का सबसे पहला जो शब्द है, वो शब्द ही जन्म है।
So
जो लोग भागवत जी पढ़ते हैं, जो लोग सुनते रहते हैं,
the primary reason,
उनको इस बारे में पता है। भागवत जी का आरंभ का जो शब्द है,
those who read Bhagavatam,
प्रारंभ का जो शब्द है, वो शब्द ही जन्म से होता है। जन्मादस्य यतः।
it is said, Janma dasya yataha. That person is taking birth who is ajanma, who has no birth. That's why this is the speciality.
हम जो जीव हैं,
We jivas,
ध्यान से सुनना।
hear this carefully.
अब मैं कह रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनना, तो एक आज मैं एक बात इस मन से कह देता हूँ।
See, let me tell you one thing.
अभी लगभग 6:30 बजे मैं किसी को भी उठा दूंगा।
Now at 6:30 I'll make anyone stand up and I will ask any question from that
और
person.
अगर आपने सही से
And
किया,
if you answered properly,
तो आज हमारे जो आयोजक हैं, इनके हाथ से 2-2 डिब्बे प्रसाद मिलेंगे।
then you will get 3 boxes of prasadam today.
और जो नहीं बता
And
पाए,
those who could not tell,
आप नोट कर लो, कल का भंडारा
we will note the name. They will have to give the bhandara tomorrow, the feast tomorrow. So this is the
इसलिए मैं किसी से भी पूछ लूंगा। अभी जो भी गेस्ट आए हमारे, सब ध्यान से
punishment. So all the guests who have come today, hear it carefully.
50
We all jivas, we have 50 qualities.
देवताओं में
Demigods
5 जो अधिक होते हैं,
have 5 more qualities, 55.
वो बड़े हैं हमारे, पृथ्वी से ऊपर रहते हैं स्वर्ग में। वो कभी पृथ्वी को छूते नहीं है,
They never touch
पृथ्वी
earth.
से ऊपर
They
रहते हैं।
never touch land.
दूसरी बात,
And other side, other thing, that they never have any shadow also. You understand shadow?
shadow। क्यों? अरे शरीर होगा तो
Why?
पृथ्वी होगी ना।
Arey, when the body will be there, then the shadow will be there. This is our gross body.
हमारी परछाई shadow।
So that's why we get our shadow.
लेकिन देवताओं का तो ये
But the
शरीर होता है।
demigods, they don't have this gross body.
कौन सा शरीर होता है?
What kind of body they have? They have subtle body.
हमारे अंदर कितने शरीर हैं?
In our body, how many
2 शरीर हैं।
bodies we have? We have 2 bodies.
इसको
One
कहते हैं
is the
स्थूल शरीर।
body that we are able to see, that is gross body.
और एक इसका
And
मतलब
another
जो
is,
होते हैं,
inside is subtle body,
सूक्ष्म शरीर।
Sukshma Sharir.
उसका composition क्या है?
The composition of that is what? How it makes?
मन, बुद्धि,
Mind,
अहंकार।
intelligence and false ego.
मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार, माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस, ईगो। इससे सूक्ष्म शरीर बनता है।
By this,
वो तो दिखता ही नहीं।
Subtle body is created and we cannot see that. Can you see anyone's mind?
आप किसी की intelligence
Can you see anyone's intelligence or ego?
क्योंकि उसका आकार, उसकी जो
Why?
formation
Because the
है,
formation
बहुत सूक्ष्म
is
है,
very
सरल है।
subtle. It's not the formation with 5 elements which we can see
सुसाइड कर लेते हैं।
or feel.
आत्महत्या
So,
कर लेते हैं, भूत बन जाती है, प्रेत में
Those who people do suicide, they become ghost. So we can't see ghost. Why? Because the gross body has been killed, but the subtle body was not killed. The subtle body is still there.
वो सूक्ष्म शरीर क्या मन बुद्धि
What is that subtle body? Mind, intelligence, and that stays with the soul, and until the age is finished, it just roams here and there. So in the same with demigods,
भी शरीर सूक्ष्म शरीर होता है।
their body also is a subtle body. That's why we can't see them.
इस शरीर के अंदर भी एक शरीर है।
So in this body also there is a body called subtle body, which does not burn by burning,
अपने अपने कर्मों का
by fire also. Now every person,
कैरी फॉरवर्ड चलता है।
when he takes another birth, so those things get carried forward. This subtle body carries forward.
ये दो ब्लैंकेट
Also, these are like two blankets, for example, you can understand.
किए हुए हैं।
So these two blankets have covered the soul inside.
इस आत्मा के ऊपर दो
Within the on that soul there are two cloths, two blankets. First is
शरीर में
the subtle body, and then this second body, that the gross body that we have. This. So now that soul, how big that soul is? What is the size of the soul?
सिर का एक बार लो
Take the hair from your head and then the tip point of that hair.
सिर्फ टिप पॉइंट
Only the tip point, not the complete hair.
उस टिप पॉइंट को
Just that tip point, and if you cut that 10,000 times,
is the size of the soul.
then the one part that you take after cutting it into 10,000 pieces, so that one piece is the size of the soul.
Size है। वो देख सकता है कभी?
So can you see that?
कोई किसी की आत्मा देख सकता है?
Can anyone see anyone's soul? One's own soul? No.
हॉस्पिटल में आईसीयू में वेंटिलेटर पे बहुत से लोग शरीर छोड़ते हैं।
In hospital ICU, so many people leave their body,
कैमरा में
and there are cameras also. In camera, ever anyone see that the soul is going out? Even in the camera, it doesn't come
साइज इतना छोटा
because the
है,
size is so small.
इतना सूक्ष्म है
It is so small,
और वही छोटी सी आत्मा
and that little soul
आपके शरीर को चला रही है।
is actually working our whole body.
हाथी के शरीर को चला रही है।
That small soul is making the body of the elephant works. It is not that the elephant is big, so his soul is big, or the or the mosquito is small, so the soul is small. Everyone has a small soul, same size, and that only is driving the whole body. We are thinking that we are driving this body, but the driver is that soul who's driving the body.
जैसी मोमेंट
And as soon as
आत्मा निकली,
that soul leaves the body, the driver goes out of the car. Will the car move?
ड्राइवर बोलता है साहब पानी।
Driver says, "Oh, I want to go and drink some water."
ड्राइवर गाड़ी से बाहर निकल
And
जाए,
driver goes out of the car. Will the car move? No.
वो आत्मा एक ड्राइवर है।
So that soul is the driver of this body.
इसलिए
Okay. So that's why
हम शरीर को तो खुराक देते हैं,
we give medicine, we give food for the body. Very nicely we eat, but the soul inside, the food is not this food that we give to the body.
इसलिए डिप्रेशन
When the food is not provided to the soul, then the person becomes depression. It comes in depression because it becomes weak and malnourished. And when the soul keeps getting the food for its food, then it becomes very strong. And the food for soul is not the rice, roti, and all those things. As the cars and the drivers, food is different. So, howsoever fancy car you have, be it Mercedes, Audi, Benz,
उसके टैंक में
in that tank,
5 किलो देसी घी का हलवा डालो।
you put 5 kg desi ghee halwa. Very nice. So, will it work?
इंजन ही खराब हो जाएगा।
The engine will get bad
वो उसकी खुराक नहीं है।
because it is not,
और ड्राइवर
it's
को
food.
5 लीटर बढ़िया से बढ़िया पेट्रोल पिला।
And you give 5-liter petrol to the driver.
चलेगा?
Will he walk properly?
उसी प्रकार ये शरीर की खुराक कुछ और है।
No. So that's why the food for the soul is different and food for the body is completely different.
यही
What is that food for the soul? This Bhagavad Katha.
ये आत्मा सुख,
Yayatma Suprasiddhati.
ये भगवान का नाम,
This holy name of the Lord, chant every day.
तो रोज की आत्मा को
Then every day
उसकी पूरी की पूरी खुराक मिले।
the soul, the body gets its
अब ये
all
बात बुद्धि गई है,
complete
मैं कह दूं।
nourishment. Now, since this topic is started, I will tell one more point.
दो मित्रों को देखा,
I saw two friends.
एक की दोनों किडनी खराब हो गई,
One had both kidneys failed. Now he cannot live.
जीने के लिए एक किडनी तो चाहिए होगी।
To live, he needs one kidney at least.
मान लो हमारे साथ ही ऐसा हो जाए,
Suppose,
सर मान ही लो
just suppose that we
ऐसा हो,
get in such situation.
दोनों किडनी फेल हो जाए तो
If both kidneys get failed, then we need at least one kidney to live. And then we asked our friend, "Oh bhai, oh brother, till now we were eating together, we were having so much friendship.
तो अपनी किडनी मेरे को दे दो,
You give me your kidney one, please." Then you get to know that he is your real friend or not.
मैं पैसा दे सकता हूँ,
Oh, I can give you money.
पूरा खर्चा कर दूंगा,
I can spend so much money for you, but I cannot give my kidney. Arey bhai, I will die. Yes, I understand, but I cannot say anything.
जीने के लिए
Oh,
किडनी चाहिए होती है,
just to live, we need only one kidney. You can also live, I can also live. Oh, my friend, our friendship is limited to here only.
बढ़कर कोई आगे आएगा, मैं कल भी बोल रहा था, मित्र बहुत सारे होते हैं, बांधव
But if someone comes beyond this, I was saying yesterday also that friends are many, but the well-wishers are really rare.
वो होता है बांधव।
That well-wisher who stands with us at the difficult times, at calamities.
मित्र ने मान लो हमको,
So that friend who gave us kidney,
इंसान हम सारा जीवन मानेंगे कि नहीं?
will we consider his favor whole life or not?
रोज उसको थैंक यू बोलेंगे,
We will say him thank you every day or not?
उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल रहेंगे,
We will be very grateful towards him.
होगा कि नहीं बताओ,
Right or wrong?
हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes or no?
तो सोच कर देखो,
So now think about
इस
this.
मित्र ने
So that friend
जीने के लिए
who gave to live,
अपना शरीर का अंग दिया,
who gave one organ
और
to
जिस
us,
भगवान ने
we became so grateful. But that Bhagwan who has not just given two kidneys, but one heart, one liver, intestine, chest, lungs,
दान के लिए सब कुछ
eyes, ears, nose, beautiful nails also.
पूरा का पूरा शरीर दिया,
So gave the whole body.
धन्यवाद करते हैं।
How many times we be thankful to him?
एक किसी साधारण मित्र ने एक किडनी का दे दी, उसको
One
सारा
ordinary
जीवन
friend,
साथी माना।
he gave some kidney, one kidney, and we feel indebted whole life. Now that Lord who has given me this whole beautiful body, do I ever, every day do I say thank you to him? If we don't do, then there is a word for that person. You know what is that?
अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं,
In English they say ungrateful.
हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे?
In Hindi they say
एहसान,
ehsan faramosh.
कौन सा मोश, परम पुरुष।
Ungrateful person.
इसलिए
That's why
संतों ने तो गाली तक दी है।
the saints have actually abused also. Surdas ji, who sings very beautiful bhajan. Surdas ji says, "Aso namak harami." It's like a abusive word which says that such kind of shameless person. Oh Lord, you have given me this body. I eat your food only, and I don't say even thank you to you. Such kind of shameless person and ungrateful person I am. So he is not writing. He is humbly writing for himself, but actually this is an abuse to people like us who are very ungrateful to the Lord and His devotees.
के अंदर 50 गुण,
So that's why in this way, 50 qualities in the jivas, 55 qualities in the demigods, and above that all the incarnation that comes of the Lord, Narsingh, Vara, Vaman and all, so they have 60 qualities.
श्री नारायण,
Shri Narayan, he has 60 qualities.
लेकिन श्री कृष्ण के
But
अंदर
Shri Krishna,
64 कला
he has 64 qualities, 4 extra qualities,
किसी में भी नहीं।
which no one extra has. Neither Shri Ram, Narayan, Vishnu, Narsingh, no one.
ये इनका एक स्पेशलिटी
This is the speciality of
और
Krishna.
इनका कॉपीराइट है।
And he has a copyright also, that these 4 qualities stay inside him only. Nobody can copy that. What are those 4 qualities? Right, remember that.
पहले इसका श्लोक बता देता हूँ।
Let me speak the shlok.
चमत्कार,
सर्वभूत चमत्कार लीला कल्लोल वादिनी
अतुल मधुर प्रेम,
अतुल मधुर प्रेम मंडित प्रिय मंडना
त्रिजगति आकर्षण,
त्रिजगत आदर्शनी.
अस्मौत रूप श्री विस्मापित चरित्र। सबसे पहले बताया,
First of all, told about the beautiful form, that his beautiful form, his beauty, nobody has such beauty. Secondly,
जो लीला है ऐसी
the
एक और
pastime,
कर नहीं सकता।
nobody else can perform such
मतलब कौन
pastime.
ऐसा भगवान है जो माखन की
Tell
चोरी
me, who is that Lord who steals
कौन
butter?
ऐसा भगवान जो रास
Who
करे?
is that Lord who performs ras?
क्या नरसिंह भगवान ने कभी रास किया?
Has Narsingh Bhagwan ever performed
श्री राम जी
ras?
ने रास किया।
Has Ramji ever performed ras?
एक एक टॉपिक इतना गहरा है,
Each topic is so deep
एक टॉपिक को यदि मैं
that
बताऊं, एक
even
घंटा
if one topic I pick, 3 hours are gone.
भगवान के जो चार additional qualities,
The 4 additional qualities of the Lord, these 4 extra qualities, in just a description of these 4 qualities, 4 days can be passed.
सुंदर रूप इनका,
Such beautiful form of Krishna, such beautiful pastime, such beautiful love.
और
And
जो ये बहुत सुंदर मुरली बजाते हैं,
and he plays that beautiful flute, so nice. So it is said, Rupa Madhuri, Vedu Madhuri, Leela Madhuri and Prema Madhuri.
किसी और से नहीं।
Nobody else has such.
चलो आज किसी को
Just see the form. I will touch upon this today.
लक्ष्मी जी किसके अर्धांगिनी?
See, Lakshmi ji, she is the wife of whom?
श्री विष्णु
She is wife of Vishnu Narayan, right?
वह लक्ष्मी जी ने एक
So
बार
that
वैकुंठ
Lakshmi
में
ji, sitting in Vaikuntha
एक बड़ी
once,
सुंदर वंशी को सुना।
she heard a very beautiful flute.
देखा कौन बजा रहा
She
है?
came, attracted at once. Now she saw who is playing. Oh, Krishna in Vrindavan, he is playing this flute.
लक्ष्मी जी श्री कृष्ण
Now
को
Lakshmi
देखकर
ji, seeing Krishna, she got so attracted. Oh, so beautiful you play. Oh, you are so beautiful. Your form. I want to attain you.
श्री कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, लक्ष्मी जी
Shri Krishna is saying,
नारायण के साथ रहते हैं।
Lakshmi ji, you reside with Narayan.
लक्ष्मी जी ने कहा हाँ,
Lakshmi ji said, yes, yes.
आपके जो गुण
But
हैं, आपके
your
जो
qualities, your pastimes, your form,
वो नारायण से भी
your beauty, it is much more than Narayan. Lakshmi ji knows all scriptures.
तो मैं आपको प्राप्त करना
So she said that I want to attain you.
श्री कृष्ण ने स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड
Shri Krishna, straightforwardly, he said one thing, without twisting. What he said? Lakshmi ji, if you want to attain me, then there are some TNC, terms and conditions.
मेरी प्राप्ति ऐसी नहीं कि मतलब कोई भी आ जाए
Attaining me is not like a child's play that, oh, anyone wants to attain me. Okay, come, come, come. No, there are some terms and conditions, Lakshmi ji. Oh, Lakshmi ji said, okay, tell me. Krishna said, see, I am a cowherd boy. I maintain cows. That's why my name is Gopal. If you want to attain me, then you have to become a gopi for sure.
अगर आप मुझको प्राप्त करना चाहती हो तो
If you want to attain me, you have to become a gopi. Being a Lakshmi, you cannot really attain me. If you want to stay as a Lakshmi, then sit with Narayan only. Lakshmi just said, what is the meaning of becoming a gopi? What I have to do?
भगवान कह रहे हैं गोपियां
Lord said, what gopis do? It's very simple. They just milk the cows.
गोबर कर दिया तो
They make cakes of cow dung.
और दिन रात मेरे नाम
And day and night they chant my holy name.
घर में जब झाड़ू भी लगा
When they are cleaning the house also, when they are making the food, cooking, and they're maintaining the children and the family,
उन्होंने भगवान ने लेपने
don't avahane lepane,
का दूध
milking the cow,
अपने पतियों की सेवा करते
serving
हैं।
their husbands, all the time they are meditating on me and calling out my holy names. What they sing? Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti.
कृष्ण हे या अब हे सखेति गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेति गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेति गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेति। इस प्रकार गोपियां मेरे नामों का कीर्तन
Like this, gopis, they chant my holy name
साधारण काम करती हैं।
and they do their everyday household chores.
आपको ये करना पड़ेगा।
Oh, Lakshmi ji, then you have to do this basically. Lakshmi ji, she has so much status and profile. She said, me?
लक्ष्मी हूँ,
I am Lakshmi.
ये झाड़ू वाड़ू लगाना
These
मैं करूँगी।
cleaning the room with the broom
हाँ, मैं भी-
and
मैं क्यों?
making cow dung cakes. I have so many maid servants.
तो कृष्ण कहने लगे, देखो,
Krishna said, oh Lakshmi ji,
जब तक गोपी नहीं बनोगी
until you become a gopi,
मेरी प्राप्ति नहीं है।
you cannot attain me for sure.
और इससे बड़ी कंडीशन
And if you want to know more condition, then let's just hear
आपको
a
राधा
primary
श्याम
condition. This is
अनुरक्त
just
का-
secondary condition. Primary is that you have to take shelter of Radharani.
मेरी जो
Means
सबसे प्रिय है,
my dear most
वह है राधा जी।
is Srimati
तो मेरे
Radharani,
को सब में मेरे लिए सब
who
कुछ निछावर करने
just
वाली,
submit everything for me,
जो अपने लिए कुछ भी नहीं
who
रखती,
doesn't keep anything for herself from her body, mind, words, and whatever she has.
वो सब उस प्रेम के कारण
Because of that love she has in the heart, she offers me everything. She doesn't keep anything for herself. Her ornaments, her decoration, her every activity,
समर्पण है।
everything is submitted to me. She just remember me day and night. So that's why the love that she has for me, no one in the whole world loves me that way. So you have to
सेवा करनी पड़ेगी।
serve the lotus feet of Radharani, then you can attain me.
लक्ष्मी जी को
When Lakshmi ji heard this, she got such a big ego problem.
ego problem समझते हैं?
You understand ego problem?
जल्दी हो जाती है ना।
It comes very fast.
एक बड़े व्यक्ति का बड़प्पन क्या होता है?
See, what is the maturity of a
एक बड़े
big
व्यक्ति का
person?
बड़प्पन ये होता है
The
कि
maturity of a big person is that howsoever qualities he has, howsoever big he is, being that big person, he never brings his ego in between.
साधारण व्यवहार करता है।
And he just deals very normally, very simply. So this is called as humbleness. This is called as humbleness. And because of this, there is no black spot in his profile, but his profile keeps on increasing more and more. His glories keeps on increasing more and more. Otherwise, showing the ego is not a big, easy, difficult thing. A small ant also shows ego.
आपको उदाहरण देता हूँ।
I give you an example.
10, 15, 20 लाख चिड़िया थी।
15-20 red ants were there, and suddenly I just put my feet there, and they bit me so badly that I got so much problem. So that she's so small, I can just kill that ant just by putting my feet on it. But that little ant also has so much ego that, oh, how could you put step in this area? Now I will bite you. So having ego is not a big thing.
नहीं रखना।
But even if you have, but still not keeping it, coming out of it, that's a big thing.
भारत में समिट हुआ था।
Few years back, there was a summit that happened
एक
in
देश के
India.
प्रधानमंत्री,
One country's prime minister,
वो G20 हुआ था।
G20 happened. In that G20, the prime minister of one country, he came and he was drinking coffee. Now hear this carefully.
भागवत जी के बीच में कहाँ से बात आई?
You will say that, oh, how this topic came in Bhagavad Ji, but this is very full of lesson, instruction. He was drinking coffee and by mistake, the coffee fell on the ground. Now the guards are standing, the ministers are standing.
कोने में
Now, there in the corner, the sweeper,
वो लेके खड़ा हुआ था।
he was standing.
उसके पास गया
Now the minister went to him and said that, give me this
और सब लोग
mop, I will clean. And everyone's like, oh, why you are doing, sir? You are the minister.
आपको प्रधानमंत्री हो, पूरे देश को
You are the prime minister. You represent the whole country. So what he answered, but I only spilled it.
इसने तो नहीं गिराया।
He didn't spill it.
और अगर मैं इसको झाड़ू लगा दूं,
If I let him clean it, and or if I just clean it myself, then will I not stay prime minister or what?
नहीं नहीं सर,
Everyone said, no, no.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
Oi, give me. I just telling you. He took the cleaner, the cleaning equipment and cleaned it. So by this his glory is reduced or increased?
समूह जो बड़ी बढ़ गई।
Increased.
ये बात मैं किससे कह रहा हूँ?
Why I am saying this
इस
thing?
उदाहरण को देखकर ये कह रहा हूँ।
With this example, I am trying to explain that Shri Krishna,
बहुत बड़े
he is very great. He is the source of all incarnation. Sarva Karana Karanam. He is the cause of all causes.
ईगो दिखाने बैठ गए।
And if he starts showing his ego,
आप लोग बचिए।
then we all will be gone.
इतना बड़ा व्यक्ति और
Such
इतना
big
साधारण
person,
रहता है,
and he lives so simply.
इतने साधारण रहते हैं।
Such personality with so many qualities, great, but still very simple.
तो ब्राह्मणों के चरण धोने के लिए बैठ जाए।
When he desires, then he sits to clean the lotus feet of the Brahmanas. See, Yudhishthir Maharaj in Indraprasth, he did a very big sacrifice, Rajasuya Yagya.
सारे राजा आए,
In that, all the kings came.
ऋषि मुनि भी आए
Rishi Munis also came.
और कृष्ण भी आए।
And Krishna also came.
जब कृष्ण आए तो
When
बोले,
Krishna came,
भैया,
then said, Yudhishthir Bhaiya, please give me also some service.
आप तो मेरे भाई लगते हैं।
You are my brother, you are my cousin.
युधिष्ठिर ने कहा,
Yudhishthir ji said, oh, what service can I give? You just sit. People will come to see you. You have your darshan.
नहीं नहीं हमको भी
He said, no, give me some also service.
ढूंढ लो।
Oh, you search yourself. Sri Krishna is searching. Oh, cooking department taken care by the Bhimsen. See, the one who knows how to eat well, he knows how to make well, cook well.
अर्जुन ने सबको
Arjun,
स्वागत का भाग ले लिया।
he took the responsibility of welcoming. Nakul Sahadev, they took everyone took the departments and no department was empty. Now Krishna said to Yudhishthir,
एक स्थान बच गया।
there is one thing which is left and I have chosen my service. What?
भगवान कह रहे हैं,
The Lord is saying,
ऋषि आए,
all the rishis who will come,
चरणों को मैं धोऊंगा।
I will wash their feet.
उनको चरणों के धोने की सेवा कौन करेगा?
The service to wash their feet, I will take. Such great personality, there is an ego problem.
भगवान है
He is Bhagavan.
और ईगो
And ego, zero is. Zero ego.
और यही उनका एक गुण बन
And this becomes his quality.
जाता है।
Just learn from this.
ईगो दिखाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं,
Showing ego is not a big thing.
होते हुए
But
साधारण
even having the qualities and still staying very humble and simple, this is the big quality. That big personality, he is washing the lotus feet of the rishis. He could have said the rishis, hey, you do. Or some other servant, say, you do. But no, by his own hands he is doing. This is his humility. By this his beauty increases. A person's personality develops.
नौकरों के साथ नहीं,
Even with the
उसकी एक पर्सनालिटी बनती है,
servants,
होता है हीरे से।
among the servants also, they start respecting that person so much. Obviously, he is giving salary. Someone is giving salary to the servant. But our personality will be so good that they will not salute us for formality. They will salute from the heart. Oh, my boss, he's so great. My master, so nice. So that person's personality really develops. The more simple he stays and gives respect to everyone more and more, than his aura increases. His aura develops naturally and he becomes very effulgent
क्योंकि वो जितना साधारण रहेगा,
if he stays as simple as possible.
ऐसे हैं भगवान।
So, such is Bhagwan.
हम लोगों को खाने पीने की कमी होती है,
See, do we have any issue for eating and all?
जब हमको नहीं है तो
See, will the Lord have any issue if we don't have?
जगन्नाथपुरी में श्री जगन्नाथ जो कृष्ण है, दिन में 7 बार 56 भोग खाते हैं।
In Jagannath Puri, Shri Krishna,
दुनिया तरस के उनको खिलाने के लिए,
7 times he eats 56 bhogs.
क्या तेरे हाथ का ये खाना है?
And the whole world craves to feed Jagannath ji. But still,
प्रोफाइल इतना छोटा है,
the profile, he makes so low profile
सुदामा के
that he is eating the uncooked rice of Sudama also.
वो खाने वाले
One side eating 56 types of items, and on the other side he is ready to eat uncooked items, uncooked rice of Sudama also. Such is the quality of the Lord. This is what the Lord is giving us as a teaching, that such big personality and still having such a low profile, in that, because by doing that his status does not get reduced. Instead it increases, his aura increases. That's why he told Lakshmi ji, oh Lakshmi, you have to become Gopi. But Lakshmi ji is like, no, I cannot do this. I cannot touch the cow dung.
और मैं राधा जी की सेवा
And why can I serve? Why should I serve Radha ji? I am Lakshmi.
कह रहे थे, फिर तो मेरी
Krishna said, then you cannot attain me, sorry.
लक्ष्मी जी ने कहा मैं तपस्या
Lakshmi ji said, I will attain you by severe austerities. Krishna, oh go ahead. Please welcome.
तपस्या करनी पड़ी।
Go, do austerity.
और आज भी लक्ष्मी जी
And today also, till date,
नहीं हुई।
Lakshmi ji is doing austerity and cannot attain Krishna. Even after so many years. Where she is doing?
वृंदावन कौन-कौन के हाथ-
Have you, how many have been to Vrindavan?
अच्छा,
Raise your hand. Okay.
वृंदावन में जमुना जी बहती है ना?
In Vrindavan, Yamuna ji flows.
उस पार एक वन है,
On the other side of Yamuna ji, there is a place called Belvan.
बहुत कम लोग हैं।
So less people have gone.
अब अगली बार जब वृंदावन
Next
जाओ,
time, when you go to Vrindavan, then you ask the boatman, he will cross the Jamuna Ji, make you cross the Jamuna Ji, and he will take you to Belvan. And Belvan, Lakshmi Ji is sitting like this and doing austerity. Other places, Lakshmi Ji is sitting like this giving blessings. But in Belvan, in Vrindavan, just 10 minutes after crossing the Yamuna, Lakshmi Ji is sitting there in Belvan. For what? Oh, I want to attain Krishna. But till date she has not attained. And what's the evidence for that? If someone says, hey, you are just talking, what's the evidence? Evidence is Srimad Bhagavatam.
उसका प्रमाण दिया कालिया की पत्नियों ने.
The Kaliya's wives, they gave the evidence.
कौन था? पक्षी.
There was a Kaliya, you know. Who was he? A bird? No, he was a snake, very poisonous.
जमुना जी में आया
He came to Jamuna Ji
और सारी जमुना जी
and
को विष से दूषित कर दिया.
he polluted the whole Jamuna Ji with poison.
और कृष्ण
And Krishna,
कालिया के फलों के ऊपर
being on the hoods of Kaliya, he started dancing.
ऐसा नृत्य किया.
He danced such a way
फल उठाता
that
कालिया और
as soon as the Kaliya would raise any hood, Krishna would jump at once on that hood and start making him vomit blood.
इसी दृश्य को हमारे सूरदास जी ने गाया.
This thing, our Surdas ji sung,
कालिया के फलों के ऊपर श्री कृष्ण ने
dancing on the hoods of Kaliya, Shri Krishna
क्या गा रहे हैं?
is dancing. What he is singing, you know.
सूरदास जी ने बड़ा सुंदर पद
Very beautifully Surdas ji has written this.
तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. ओ नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. नाचन गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाचन गिरिधारी. नाच गिरिधारी. नाच गिरिधारी. नाच गिरिधारी. नाच गिरिधारी. तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. पम 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 पग पटक. पम 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 पग पटक. पम 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 फलति परक. पम 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 फलति परक. बिन 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 बिनति करक. 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 नागवधुहारी. नागवधुहारी. तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. हाँ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. शशिक शशिक सनकादि. शशिक शशिक सनकादि. नम 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 नारद मुनि. नम 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 नारद मुनि. मम 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 महादेव. मम 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 महादेव. मम 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 महादेव. मम 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 महादेव. बम बम बलिहारी. बम बम बलिहारी. ओ तांडव गति मुंडन पर नाच गिरिधारी. 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 विविध विविध विधाधर. विविध विविध विधाधर. दम 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 देव सकल. दम 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 Deva Sakala,
Gama 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 Deva Sakala,
Gama 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 Deva Sakala,
Gama 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 Guni Gandharva,
Gama Gama Guni Gandharva,
Gama 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 Guni Gandharva,
Guni Gandharva,
Nachate Tari,
Nachate Tari,
O Natakali Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Nachate Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Natakali Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Nachate Munchar Par Nachate Tari.
Natakali Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Nachate Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Surdat Prabhu Ki Rani,
Surdat Prabhu Ki Vani,
Kiru Kiru Lokinu Najani,
Kivi Kivi Kiru Rajani,
Chama 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 Charana Parata,
Chama 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 Charana Parana,
Chama 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 Charana Parata,
Chama 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 Charana Parana,
Gama 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 Guni Gandharva,
Guni Gandharva,
Gama 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 Mahadev,
Gama 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 Mahadev,
Viva Viva Prabhu Vine Parata,
Devi 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 Parata,
Nirbhaya Karo Kali,
Nirbhaya Karo Kali,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Nachate Dhari,
Nachagiri Dhari,
Nachate Dhari,
Nachagiri Dhari,
Nachate Dhari,
Nachagiri Dhari,
Nachate Dhari,
Nachagiri Dhari,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Dhari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Dhari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Dhari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari,
O Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Dhari,
Chandavati Munchar Par Nachate Tari.
कृष्ण कालिया के फलों पर नृत्य कर रहे हैं। सूरदास जी ने देखते ही भजन निकाला, तांडव करती मुंडन पर नाचते हैं।
Krishna, he is dancing on the hoods of Kalia, and Surdas ji just wrote the kirtan on that. Such beautiful verses. Now see, those Kalia's wives said one thing, because there were so many wives. They said, Vihai Kamina Suchare Nadhita Kata. The wives of the Kalia, they are saying, Oh Bhagavan, the snake Kalia, our husband, you kept your lotus feet on his head. That lotus feet to attain which Lakshmi ji is doing austerity for so long, that Lakshmi ji never attained. How come our sinful husband attained this? So that's why whenever you go to Vrindavan and you want to have darshan of Lakshmi ji, then on the other bank of Yamuna you go to Belvan and you see the austerity of Lakshmi ji. Till now she did not attain Krishna, because seeing the form of Krishna, even the wife of Narayan, she gets completely perplexed, bewildered and attracted. That's the qualities of the Lord. So that's why that personality who is beyond birth, he is taking birth. So it is a very big thing. Today we will hear Krishna Janam, birth pastimes of Krishna, the secret. What do you want to hear? Why you are so lazy?
थोड़ा जोश तो होना चाहिए।
Some activeness should
आपने
be there.
कन्हैया के लिए गिफ्ट लाए हैं।
You brought gifts for Kanhaiya.
जोर से तो बोलो।
Just at
बोलो,
least
कृष्ण
sing
कन्हैया
loudly.
लाल की। ये इधर वाला सेक्शन थोड़ा
This section is
वीक लग रहा है।
battery low.
थोड़ा जरा जोश दिखाइए। कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की। हाँ, अब लगा।
Oh, now it feels you are here.
तो सुनो,
Okay, listen.
राम जी का जन्म बड़ा सीधा साधा, लेकिन कृष्ण कभी सीधे खड़े होते हैं? कितने मंदिर, सनातन धर्म मंदिर देखोगे, हाथ में क्या पकड़ा हुआ है?
Ramji's birth is very straightforward.
कभी इनको सीधा खड़े देखा?
But Krishna, have you ever seen him standing straight? Always twisted. And in real,
सब कुछ टेढ़ा ही है।
his everything is twisted only.
देखो यहाँ पर गंगा जी
See here, Ganga ji is flowing straight. You can see
एकदम सीधी सादी गंगा।
completely very beautiful and soft,
लेकिन वृंदावन गंगा जी
straightforward. But you go to Vrindavan, Yamuna ji.
गंगा जी तो कृष्ण की है ना,
Yamuna ji is Krishna's, huh?
जैसे ये टेढ़े उनकी गंगा
The
जी
way he is twisted,
एक straight
his
नहीं है,
Yamuna ji also is very twisted.
गंगा जी एकदम straight, देखो,
Ganga ji is so straight, so simple. And Yamuna ji, so complicated, so twisted, very twisted.
वृंदावन की एक गली भी आपको सीधी नहीं मिलेगी।
Vrindavan's not even a single lane you will find straight.
इधर टर्न, उधर टर्न,
There will be so many turns. Even the GPS gets completely confused that how many turns are there, right?
इसलिए श्री कृष्ण
That's
का
why
कोई भी सीधा नहीं।
Shri Krishna's nothing is
उनका
straight.
जो जन्म है वो भी सीधा
And
नहीं।
in the same way, his birth pastime also is not straightforward. That's why in our Vrindavan there is a kirtan which is said, you know what?
शाम तू टेढ़ो,
Sham tu. Oh, Sham, you are twisted, your eyes are twisted.
टेढ़ो, तेरी तेरी नजरिया, शाम टेढ़ो, तेरी तेरी नजरिया, गोकुल टेढ़ो टेढ़ो, वृंदावन टेढ़ो टेढ़ो, 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 टेढ़ी रे टेढ़ी नजरिया, टेढ़ी रे टेढ़ी गोकुल नजरिया, टेढ़ो तेरी तेरी नजरिया, ओ शाम तू टेढ़ो तेरी नजरिया, सब कुछ टेढ़ा। और आज हम बैठे हैं कृष्ण जन्म सुनने के लिए नहीं, कृष्ण जन्म रहस्य को सुनने के लिए। आपने टीवी में कभी भी नहीं देखा होगा ये। आज कृष्ण जन्म रहस्य को सुनेंगे, सुनेंगे?
Secrets of Krishna's birth. Would you like to hear?
हमारे ब्रज में
Okay,
बहुत
listen.
बड़े राजा हुए।
There was a great king of our Braj
नाम हुआ
whose name was
राजा देवमीर।
King Devmeed.
अब इनकी दो पत्नियां,
He had two wives.
एक क्षत्रिय,
One was a warrior class, another was a business class, Gopa,
उनकी दो पत्नियां,
cowherd
एक क्षत्रिय
community.
और एक गोप।
One from the warrior class, another from the cowherd
क्षत्रिय
community.
पत्नी से उनको
From the
प्राप्त हुआ,
warrior community
जिनका
got
नाम
a
हुआ
son
शूरसेन।
named Shurasen,
गोप जाति जो पत्नी,
and the cowherd community wife
जिनका नाम हुआ
got a
प्रजन्य।
son named Prajanya.
समझ रहे हो? दो
Understanding?
डायनेस्टी चल रही है।
Two dynasties flowing.
इन्हीं शूरसेन जी के यहाँ पर वसुदेव जी का
At the house of the Shursen ji, Vasudev ji
और
take
उधर
birth.
प्रजन्य जी के यहाँ पर
And on the side of Prajanya ji, 5 children took birth. Upanand, Abhinand, Nand, Nandan, and Sunand and Nandan. 5 sons.
इनमें जो मंजिले थे वे हुए
The middle one was Nand Maharaj.
वसुदेव जी का विवाह
Vasudev ji got married with
रोहिणी जी से हो चुका
Rohini
है।
ji.
और वसुदेव जी एक और
And
विवाह-
Vasudev ji is getting into another
जो
marriage.
राजा होते हैं
The kings,
उनको अनेक विवाह करने की अनुमति है शास्त्र
they are
में।
allowed by the scriptures to marry multiple females. For example, you only tell.
आंसर करेगा ना,
Whoever will answer right,
उसको अपने हाथ से प्रसाद।
I will give prasad from my own hand.
दशरथ जी की कितनी पत्नियां
How many wives were there of Dashrath
थीं?
Maharaj?
बताओ, दशरथ
Tell me,
जी
this
की
section.
कितनी पत्नियां थीं?
How many wives?
3 थी।
3? Uh-huh.
रॉन्ग आंसर।
Wrong.
कल का भंडारा ये देंगे।
tomorrow's Bhandara feast by them.
सही आंसर कौन करेगा?
Who will give me right answer?
बहुतों को पता है।
Many people know.
360 रानियां।
360 queens.
आप कहेंगे बाप रे।
You will say, oh my God.
युग कौन सा था?
What kind of yuga it was? Treta Yuga, bhai.
अच्छा, एक ऐसे राजा की बात बताऊं, भागवत जी में अपने मन से नहीं बनाया।
In Bhagavad Gita it is stated, there is this king,
चित्रकेतु महाराज, इनकी पता है कितनी पत्नियां थी?
Chitraketu Maharaj.
1 करोड़ रानी।
He had 10 million
1 करोड़।
queens.
आप कैसे हो गई?
Everyone's eyes are popping out.
कैसे संभालते हैं? यहाँ पे
Oh, how they manage. One we cannot manage here.
1 करोड़ रानियां।
10 million queens. Okay, whatever. Their business.
वसुदेव जी मथुरा में,
Vasudev ji in Mathura
रोहिणी जी से उनका विवाह हो चुका।
got married with Rohini ji.
कल सा बहुत अत्याचार हो रहा था।
But
ऋषियों को मारना,
in Mathura,
नहीं होने देना।
Kans used to do so much atrocities. Killing all the rishis,
भार रूप में लगना।
attacking demigods,
भार है मेरे को।
like doing all the inauspicious things.
एक गैया का रूप धारण करके
So Earth,
देवताओं को
Earth personified, she was feeling so much burden. So now taking the form as a cow, she went to Brahmaji saying that, oh Brahmaji, do something. This Kans is so atrocious.
धार्मिक क्रिया नहीं करने देता।
He never let anyone live properly, peacefully. No auspicious acts are able to happen. Now Brahmaji took Earth and other demigods to Shir Sagar.
मैसेज कर दिया।
And then within the mind, Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, he spoke to Brahma, messaged Brahma that don't worry, I am gonna take incarnation soon.
इससे कंस का अत्याचार इतना बढ़ गया।
So that's why the atrocities of Kansa increased so much that he became heavy on everyone.
वसुदेव जी की पत्नी रोहिणी
The wife of Vasudev ji, Rohini ji,
छोड़कर
she left Mathura because Vasudev ji said, Rohini,
कंस का अत्याचार
Kansa's atrocities increasing day by day.
रोहिणी जी
So because of which,
गोकुल में आ गई, जहाँ पर
Rohini ji came to Gokul where Nand Baba used to live.
उनके आश्रम में उनकी सुरक्षा में रहने लगी।
She started living under his protection. And here Kansa,
अपनी बहन देवकी से बड़ा प्रेम करता
he used to love his sister so much. And he just decided that I will get my Devaki married with Vasudev. Now, nobody can actually speak against Kansa. Devaki Vasudev got married, sitting on the chariot. So much love he's expressing towards the sister.
है। एक सारथी, ये ड्राइवर हट जा,
Oh, driver,
स्वयं रथ
side away. Charioteer, side away. I myself will drive the chariot. So much love he's showing. As soon as he held the reins of the chariot,
आकाशवाणी हुई।
a celestial voice came. The demigod said one thing. Kansa,
इन्हीं देवी की 8वीं संतान
this Devaki's 8th child will be the cause of your death.
ऐसा शब्द सुन,
When he heard this,
अभी तक तो इतना प्यार जता
till now he was showing so much love.
तलवार ले ली।
Now he had a sword in the hand and just caught the
जब जब
hair of Devaki. Every time in the society when a woman got disrespected and her hair got pulled like this, that time
बहुत बड़े बड़े युद्ध हुए।
big wars have happened.
रावण ने भी ऐसा किया था।
Even the Ravan, he did like
और
this.
कंस ने भी आज अपनी बहन के साथ
Kansa also today, he did with his own sister like this. And when he took his sword about to kill Devaki, now Vasudev ji caught the hand. Kansa, now Devaki is my wife
और इसी सुरक्षा का भार मेरा
and her protection is my responsibility.
ही देवी पर
This humble Devaki, helpless Devaki, how can you be so atrocious on her? And why would you do that?
कंस ने कह दिया,
Kansa said,
सुना नहीं आपने?
did you not hear the celestial voice?
देवी की 8वीं संतान
Devaki's 8th child will be the cause of my death.
वसुदेव जी ने कहा,
Vasudev ji said, but Devaki is not the cause of the death. What do you want to say? Are,
वसुदेव जी ने
listen, Vasudev ji
यदि
said,
हमारी कोई संतान
if any child we get, I take a vow that I will give that child from my own hand to you, but you cannot kill my wife.
कंस वसुदेव जी की बात
Kansa,
को बहुत विश्वास से मानता
he
है।
accepts the words of Vasudev ji because Vasudev ji is a very special personality. He never speaks lie. His words are as
कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते और संकल्प पे पक्के
truth
हैं।
as the Lord.
जानता है
And he is completely fixed with his resolutions. So, not killing Devaki, Kansa, he jailed Vasudev and Devaki and locked them in the prison.
और वही जेल में
And there in the jail itself,
वसुदेव जी और देवकी जी यहाँ पर
Vasudev ji and Devaki,
बालक हुआ, एक पुत्र हुआ।
they got their first child.
वसुदेव जी लेकर जाने लगे, देवकी कहने लगी मत ले जाओ, मेरा बालक पुत्र है। न जाने
Vasudev ji was taking the child and going to
वसुदेव ने समझाया
Kansa, but Devaki said, please don't take my child. Vasudev ji said, oh, I am fixed with my words. Because of this condition only Kansa left your, spared your life. Oh Devaki, I love you so much. Because of this, I have to give this sacrifice. Please let me go. Devaki started crying.
वसुदेव जी उस छोटे से नन्हे से
And Devaki, taking that,
बालक के ड्योढ़ी पर पहुंचे।
Vasudev ji taking that little infant, he went to the doorstep of Kansa and said, oh Kansa, this is our first child. This child, I offer this to you.
मैंने अपना वचन पूरा
I fulfilled my words.
कंस ने देखा,
Kansa, he saw,
ये तो मेरा
oh,
भांजा लगता है।
he is my sister's son. I am his mama. Oh, this is little boy, so infant, what he can do to me?
भविष्यवाणी तो कहा था 8वीं
And also,
पहली तो नहीं
the celestial voice told about the 8th child, not the first child. So Kansa said, oh Vasudev ji, it's fine.
मैंने आपके वचन को
I accept, I pay obeisances to your words and promise, but you take back your son. Vasudev ji became so happy. He came back and gave the child to Devaki. Devaki started blessing
अपने हृदय से
from the heart to Kansa.
कितना अच्छा मेरा भाई।
Such a beautiful brother, such nice. He didn't do anything to my son. Oh, he left him.
अब यही देवताओं को परेशानी हुई।
But this is what created a problem for demigods. See, Devaki is a great, great devotee. If she prays and blesses Kansa, then
भगवान क्यों नहीं?
the Lord will not come to kill Kansa, obviously.
भगवान तो जल्दी तब आएंगे
The Lord will come faster when the heart of devotees will cry, when there will be atrocities on the devotees. And
भगवान जल्दी से
the destiny is to kill this Kansa, who is a burden on the earth, as soon as possible. So some trick has to be applied, demigods started thinking. Demigods, together, they discussed with Naradji and sent Naradji. Naradji, you do something.
नारद जी का
Naradji, you know, very intelligent. He came to Kansa. Now Kansa lives in which country? Which city? He lives in Haridwar, Kankhal.
कहाँ पर रहते हैं?
Where he lives?
फरीदाबाद।
Faridabad. Oh.
कंस मथुरा में रहता है ना?
Kans lives in Mathura.
एक मिठाई बड़ी फेमस है।
And in Mathura, there is a very famous sweet, pedha.
बस पेड़े खाने जाना,
So,
दर्शन करने जाना।
yeah, just go and eat pedha there only. Don't have darshans, huh?
नारद जी गिनती के 8
Narad ji, he counted and brought 8 pedha to Kans.
कल से नारद जी को देखा,
Kans saw Narad ji, paid obeisance. Oh, Gurujan, please come sit. Kans, Narad ji said,
प्रसाद लाया हूँ। हाँ,
I have brought some prasad for you. Oh, give.
प्रसाद ने देखा 8 पेड़।
Prasad saw, oh, 8 pedhas. Wow.
नारद जी ने कहा, कंस गिन के
Narad ji
बताओ
said,
कितने?
Kans, count it. How many are there?
नहीं, नहीं, गिनो
Oh.
मेरे सामने।
Okay, just count.
1 2 3
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 है ना?
8? Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. Narad ji twisted the pedhas
कल सब ये बता,
and then asked, hey Kans, now you tell, where is the first one?
कंस ने लगे, ये
Kans said, oh, what he is saying, I am not understanding. You just said to count, I counted, now you are twisted. Now, I don't know where the first one is.
नारद जी ने कहा, ये
Narad ji
तो
said,
मेरे को
this is
समझाया
what I wanted to show you.
है। जिस पहली संतान को
Explain
तुमने
you.
छोड़ दिया ना,
The first
क्या पता 8वीं ही पहले बनकर आ गई?
child that you have spared life of, maybe the 8th child came as the first child.
देवकी की
Can you understand from this pedha example?
क्या पता वही पहले
Maybe
बनकर आ गई?
the 8th child came as the first and killed you.
तू तो बड़ा भोला भाला है।
You are very simple and innocent. You are very childlike innocent, my son. Kansa became at once, what? Narad ji, you just said such a nice
मैं
thing.
तो बड़ा सीधा साधा
I'm so straightforward and very honest person, and I'm so simple-hearted. You have opened my eyes. ज्ञान तिमिरंजस्य ज्ञानंजन शलाकया.
बस उसी समय कारागृह में गया,
Then Kans at once
देवकी के हाथ से उस बालक को पकड़ा,
went into the jail,
देवकी कहने लगी, छोड़ दे,
snatched that little child from the hand of Devaki. Devaki was crying, please give up, please leave my child. And Kans threw that child on the wall and killed,
समाप्त कर दिया.
destroyed the first child of Devaki.
अब देवकी
Now Devaki,
अपने हृदय से
from the heart, she is cursing Kansa.
बड़ा दुष्ट है तू, बड़ा दुष्ट
Such
है.
bad person you have. What that little infant would have done to you. You killed it.
फिर दूसरी संतान हुई,
And then second child happened.
अब कंस को तो मन में हुई,
And then
फिर दूसरी बनकर आ गई,
Kansa,
फिर तीसरी, फिर चौथी, फिर
again,
पांचवी, छह
second, third, fourth, like this sixth child,
देवकी के बालकों को
6 children of Devaki, Kans mercilessly killed.
कितने?
How many?
6 बालक.
6.
आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे,
You all must be thinking, Narad ji is very naughty
और नारद जी झगड़ा लगाते हैं.
and he creates fight between people.
कभी भी मन में ऐसा विचार नहीं.
Never ever think like that in your heart also.
इतने बड़े संत
Narad ji is such a big, great saint
आशीर्वाद से
by whose mercy and blessings,
सिर पर हाथ रखते हैं.
if he just keep hand on someone, then that person would have darshan of the Lord at once. Dhruv ji, Prahlad ji, Valmiki, Mrigari, Ved Vyas ji, so many personalities he delivered.
संत कभी झगड़ा लगा सकते
Such saint can ever create any kind of issues.
हैं. सब टीवी की बात को मानते हैं.
But the problem is everyone watches television, and in television they have created Naradji's personality as a joker.
और नारायण नारायण.
A person who is just wandering here and there calling Narayan, Narayan. So you will understand the words of the shows of television or the words of scriptures that we are talking of.
रामायण लिख पाए.
That Naradji, by whose mercy Valmiki ji wrote Narayan, Ramayan. Otherwise, that Valmiki ji was who? He was like a dacoit who used to kill people.
नारद जी ने कहा,
And Naradji said, go chant Ram. But Valmiki, he is not able to chant Ram. He said, I can chant Mara. Oh, chant Mara because you have killed so many people. So, okay, chant Mara. Mara, 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 Mara. And then, chanting like rivers, he chanted Mara, 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 and then it became Ram. So that Valmiki ji, he wrote whole Ramayan.
इनकी कृपा से
By whose mercy? By the mercy of Narad ji. Today, we are hearing this Bhagavad ji, we are reading this Bhagavad ji, we are speaking this Bhagavad ji. Who wrote this? Ved Vyas ji wrote this.
वेद व्यास को भागवत किसने सिखाई?
Who taught Ved Vyas ji Bhagavad? Shri Narad ji.
ऐसे हजारों उदाहरण देख.
Like this, there are thousands of examples which I can give.
इतने बड़ा संत जो है,
So such great saint whose just chanting whose name a person would get purified, just by whose darshan,
बोलते गंगा परश्य
more than Ganga also. It is said Gangara Parasya Hai Paschatya Pavan.
स्नान करने के
When after you take bath in the cold water of Ganges, then a person becomes purified. But Darshane Pavitra Karo, on the other side, devotees like Narad ji, just seeing them, one gets purified.
ऐसे नारद जी झगड़ा लगा सकते.
So such Narad ji, he would create such a disturbance. But people like us, stupid people like us, we think that, oh, what Narad ji do? We are not grateful.
टीवी ज्यादा है.
Why? Because we are not having proper source of information. We are learning from television, we are learning from our own understanding. But the real question comes, see, that why did Narad ji let those 6 children die? Kansa was leaving them. Now hear this.
ये देवकी के जो 6 बालक जो कंस से
These 6 children of Devaki, which got killed by Kans, in the previous life, they were just wandering for so many lifetimes. They were not getting
शाप लगा हुआ है.
delivered. They were cursed children. By whom? Cursed by their own father Brahmaji. Brahmaji, when he manifested the universe and he created the humans also, so he created a girl form, his own daughter. Now Brahmaji, he is very lovingly seeing his own daughter and he is walking behind her. But the 6th child, Marichadi, the 6 sons, they developing doubt on Brahmaji, they started laughing on him. Oh, you are running behind your own daughter like this? How can you run like this behind your own daughter? And Brahmaji got so upset.
तुम लोगों की बुद्धि कितनी असुरी बुद्धि है।
Hey, your mindset is so demonic.
गिरे हुए हो तुम लोग।
Such low mentality you have.
मुझ पर आरोप करते हो।
You are
पीछे ऐसे भागता हूँ।
accusing me of running behind my own daughter.
मैं तुमको शाप
I curse you at once.
भटकते रहो।
Just roam, wander into this material realm. Your mind has become demonic.
जब तक एक असुर के हाथ से नहीं मारे जाओगे,
Until you get killed by demon,
उद्धार कभी नहीं।
till then you will never get delivered.
कब से जन्म लेते जा रहे हैं, भटकते जा रहे हैं, भटकते जा रहे हैं। इनका उद्धार ही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि असुर
These
के हाथों से
who had 6 sons, they were roaming here and there for so long because they are waiting to get killed by a demon. Now all 6 of them, they came in Devaki's womb, and Naraji got them killed by Kansa, and by getting killed by Kansa, they got delivered from that curse. So now tell, Naraji did a good thing or a bad thing? We don't know the insides, and how externally we conclude anything.
इनको कंस के हाथ से मरवाकर इनको मुक्त करवाया।
Getting them killed by Kansa,
ये महिमा है।
Naradji arranged their deliverance. This is the glory. Now in the womb of Devaki came the 7th child, Sankarshan.
तो श्री कृष्ण ने कह दिया,
Now Shri Krishna said, O Yogamaya,
देवकी के 7वें गर्भ को
the 6th child of Devaki,
गर्भवती हुई नहीं है, वो गर्भ ट्रांसफर कर दो, वो प्रेगनेंसी जो है ट्रांसफर कर दो।
the 7th child of Devaki,
तो 7वां गर्भ जो
so
देवकी
transfer that to the
के अंदर जो गर्भ है,
Rohini's womb. Rohini is also pregnant there.
और देवकी
So it united. And Devaki here claimed that I got miscarriage. I didn't get a child.
7वां बालक
7th child, miscarriage.
हुआ ही नहीं,
Did not happen.
क्योंकि अब
Why? So now
8वें गर्भ में वो
Devaki's 8th womb will come that personality about whom everyone is waiting for whom. Who is coming?
जब देवकी जी का 8वां गर्भ हुआ,
When the 8th child of Devaki came, all
ऋषि
the
मुनि के मन बड़े
direction became happy. The heart of Rishi Munis became very happy. Sun, moon, everything became so effulgent. Everything became very beautiful.
समझ आई बात?
Understanding?
और उसी समय
And at that time itself,
भाद्र मास की अष्टमी,
Bhadra Mas,
रोहिणी नक्षत्र,
Ashtami, Rohini Nakshatra,
हर्ष का
Abhijit Murat,
बुधवार का दिन अर्धरात्रि के समय में कंस के कारागृह मथुरा में देवी वसुदेव जी के सामने श्री कृष्ण प्रकट हो गए। बोलो कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय। अभी जन्म नहीं हुआ, अभी प्रकट हुए बस।
Shri Krishna appeared
यहाँ तक
in
तो
the
सुना ना?
prison.
सुन रखा है ना? अब आगे सीक्रेट सुनो।
Now, till here everyone has heard, but now hear the secret of Krishna's birth pastime.
क्योंकि कृष्ण देवकी की संतान
Because
नहीं है।
Krishna is not the child of Devaki, Krishna is the child of Yashoda ji.
वो बहुत पुरानी फिल्म का गाना सुनते आए हैं।
Oh, we have heard this filmy song and we considered that is as the truth.
क्या गाना है?
What is that?
कन्हैया किसको कहेगा तो भैया?
Kahinaiya, whom will you call as mother? One took care of you, one gave you birth. So from that itself, we have developed a mindset.
ध्यान से सुनो।
But in Bhagavad ji, hear carefully.
और मैं भी यहाँ पर वचन लेके
And here also, I speak with a promise that, with a vow that I will speak truthful. I will speak only that which is written in Bhagavad.
अब कृष्ण जन्म रहस्य को सुनो।
Now here Krishna's birth secrets.
मथुरा में देवकी जी गर्भ
As in Mathura, Devaki ji was pregnant, in the same way in Gokul, Yashoda Maya,
द्वारा गर्भवती।
she was pregnant with Nand Baba.
यशोदा जी तो बहुत समय से बालक हो नहीं रहे थे।
Yashoda ji was not getting a child for so many years. So many big sacrifice they did, but not getting a child.
तो एक दिन
So one day,
नंद जी यशोदा जी के पास आए।
Nand ji came to Yashoda ji,
तो यशोदा कल रात को मेरे को एक स्वप्न आया।
said, "Oh Yashoda, I had a beautiful dream at night. And
सत्य बदाम सधर्मनी
tell me, O my Sadharmini, O my righteous wife, tell me, did you also had that dream?
तो एक छोटा सा सांवला सा
Oh,
सुंदर
a very beautiful little blackish complexioned boy was playing on your lap. Tell me honestly, did you also have any kind of such dream?
उसको भी कल ये
Yashoda ji said yesterday, I also had the same dream. Oh, then it is for sure that we are going to have a child now. Yashoda ji became pregnant and started showing the symptoms of a pregnant woman.
बड़ी बूढ़ी गोपियां
And all the elderly gopis of Braj, seeing Yashoda ji, they could tell, Oh Yashoda, seeing your face only, we can say that you will have a boy in your house.
यशोदा जी उस समय की प्रतीक्षा करने लगी जब
And Yashoda ji was waiting for that time when the boy will take birth. And at that moment itself, Bhadramas Ashtami Rohini Nakshatra Abhijit Muhurat,
हर्ष नामक योग
Harsh Yog,
पूरा एकदम डिस्क्रिप्शन है
there's a whole astrological description.
बुधवार का दिन, अल्लाह
Wednesday, Budhvar,
ठीक उसी समय जब
midnight,
देवकी के सामने
directly, exactly at that time when Krishna appeared in the cell in front of Devaki, at that very moment in Gokul, from the womb of Yashoda came a twins.
बालिका और
One was the daughter and one was a son.
योग माया जी
The little girl was Yogamaya ji and the son was Krishna.
है
Huh? What is this?
हमने कहा मथुरा में कृष्ण
You just said that Krishna appeared in Mathura and you are saying that he took birth from Yashoda ji's womb. Oh, is he having double role? Yes. There are two Krishnas. Have you ever heard?
कितनों ने नहीं सुना हाथ खड़े
How many of you have not heard?
पिछली बार भी यही बताया
Last time also I said this only.
विश्वास नहीं तो भागवत खोल के पढ़ लो
If you don't trust, then you can
बताया, तस्मत्
read Bhagavatam. In that it has been said, Tasmat Adbhut Bhalakam.
जन्म नहीं हुए
In Mathura, Krishna did not take birth, he appeared there.
बालक ऐसे जन्म देता है कपड़े पहनकर
Thus, a child takes birth with a throne, with Shankh Chakra Gada Padma, four-handed form, wearing clothes and all those things. 16 years old. No.
बिना मुकुट के बिना
A child takes birth naked,
वस्त्र
without anything. Now, in the Mathura, when Krishna appeared, he appeared with like this an opulent form, with all the ornaments, jewelries, and everything. So it was not birth that happened there. Birth happened in Gokul, from the womb of Yashoda,
और एक बालक
a girl and a boy.
अब आ जाओ मथुरा में
Now come to Mathura.
खड़े हुए देवकी वसुदेव जी हाथ जोड़कर प्रार्थना कर रही है
The Lord appeared, Devaki Vasudev, with folded hands. They are praying, Oh, our great fortune, you came as our child.
उसको भी मार देगा
The Lord said, Oh, do you fear that Kans will kill me? Don't worry about this.
देवकी जी कहते हैं कि इतने बड़े
Devaki ji said, You have stood up such big.
लाड लगा
You become little child so that I can
भगवान ने कहा, देवकी
love you. I can feed my milk to you. Oh, Devaki, you fear that Kans will kill me. So Vasudev ji,
बोले कैसे
take me to Gokul. How can I take you to Gokul? I am binded by all these big chains and there are so many guards outside and also the climate outside is big thunderstorm and very bad climate. Oh, you just get ready. I will arrange everything. So that 16-year-old form that Krishna showed, he became like a little infant. Vasudevji's bondage is opened, the guards slept, all the locks got opened, and in a basket, Vasudevji kept Krishna on the head, and in a basket, and crossing Jamunaji, he is going to Gokul.
मुख्य रास्ते से नहीं गए
He is not going from the main road because Kansa as any guy, soldier would see. And when he is crossing Yamunaji is increasing the waves today to get the touch of the lotus feet of Krishna. Now, Shri Krishna, to make it easy, he brought his feet outside and gave touch. And then, after getting the touch, Yamunaji just gave the whole way. Now, when Vasudevji came, entered into Gokul and came near Yashodaji, now see what happened. This is the main point.
वो वसुदेव जी के सिर पर कृष्ण है मस्तक पर
That Krishna who is on the head of Vasudevji, so that Krishna and Yashoda ji's Krishna became one. This is the secret of Krishna's birth. Now this thing, neither Vasudev ji knows, neither nor Yashoda ji knows. Nobody knows. Everything is happening in a very hidden way. Yog Maya ji is arranging everything. Why she is arranging? For that, we have to extend 7 days Bhagavad Katha. Because then it's a big point to explain. Yog Maya ji is making it all happen. Vasudev ji is thinking that I am taking my own child on my head, but he doesn't know that Yashoda's child and my child became one. And Vasudev ji took that girl child. No, Vasudev ji, when he reached to Yashoda Maya, she is lying unconscious. Vasudev ji kept that Krishna and took the girl child and brought back to Mathura. When he entered into the cell, then the locks got locked. The guards woke up, everything intact. Now the little girl child started crying. Kans heard, oh, 8th child took birth. Not a boy, but a girl? What? Oh, now Kans took his sword. He is fearful also and angry also. Kans, at that moment, he entered into the cell and snatched that little girl from Devaki. Devaki said, oh, this is a little girl, at least spare her. No, this is the 8th child. This is the cause of my death. Now, he was about to kill that little child, and when he threw her, that little girl child took a form of a Durga and just kicked on the head of Kansa and said, hey, shut up, you stupid Kans. What, you will kill me? Your killer, the one who will kill you, has already taken birth somewhere. Now Kansa became so frightened. Let him get frightened. But what's happening in Gokul? Let's see there. In Gokul, Yashoda ji is not having any consciousness. She took birth, she gave birth to twins. Now there is one child, one sister of Nanda Baba whose name is Sunand. That Sunanda Bua, she came to see Yashoda and she got to know, oh, Yashoda ji has given birth to a child, a boy child. There is no pain, there is no shouting or screaming, nothing. And this little boy is lying on the bed. And Sunanda Bua, she ran like anything, came out and started congratulating Nanda Baba. Oh Baba, congratulations, congratulations. Yashoda has given a very beautiful boy. Nanda Baba is feeling so happy, and he did big festival which is called as Nanda Utsav. And in that Nanda Utsav, only one thing is heard. What? That, oh,
अब आप सबको कृष्ण जन्म की बधाई। बोलो बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो। कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की। अभी गोपाल जी को ले आओ, गोपाल जी को ले आओ, कृष्ण को ले आओ। बीच में जो माता बैठी है, अब रास्ता छोड़ दो और वो ठाकुर जी वहां से आएंगे। सब लोग बैठे रहो, सब लोग बैठे रहो, कोई खड़ा नहीं होगा।
Everyone please stay seated, don't stand. Let Thakur ji come, we will welcome. And in the meantime, our devotees will sing Krishna Birth Kirtan and congratulating Kirtan. Jai.
हरे कृष्ण। अनाउंसमेंट है सैटरडे को 14 मार्च को ये दिन भागवत का विषय।
There is an announcement that on Saturday, 15th March, morning 8 a.m. Maharaj Ji will give Harinam initiation. Those who want, they can 14 March, they can come in the morning. 14th March.
नंद लाला जन्म लियो आज बीरज में लगवा बने नंद लाला जन्म लियो बीरज में लगवा नंद लाला जन्म लियो आज बीरज में लगवा बने नंद लाला जन्म लियो आज बीरज में लगवा लगवा बटे लगवा बटे लगवा बटे लगवा बटे लगवा बटे लगवा बटे लाला जन्म लियो आज बीरज में भर थाली सखिया लाई, भर थाली सखिया लाई। सब मैया यशोदा को बधाई देने वाली हैं। सुहासा की आप भी बधाई दो। बोलो मैया बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो। अरे मुक्ति तो बोलो बधाई हो। भर थाली सखिया लाई, भर थाली यशोदा को देवी बधाई, यशोदा को देवी बधाई। मात यशोदा को देवी बधाई, मात यशोदा को देवी बधाई। भर थाली सखिया लाई, भर थाली सखिया लाई। हाथ में खा लो भैया, कोई नृत्य नहीं कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ खड़े हैं बस। लाला का जन्म हुआ है, बताए हमारे पास समय नहीं है, क्योंकि जितना समय उतना तो नृत्य करो। हाथ ढाके, हाथ ढाओ, झूम के नृत्य करो। वो लाला की, लाला के बाबा की, लाला की मैया की, वृंदावन धाम की, गोकुल धाम की। भर भर थाली सखिया लाई, भर भर थाली सखिया लाई। अरे मात यशोदा को देवी बधाई, मात यशोदा को देवी बधाई। भर भर थाली सखिया लाई, भर भर थाली सखिया लाई। मात यशोदा को देवी बधाई, नंद लाला की बोलो जयकार, नंद लाला की बोलो जयकार। नंद लाला जन्म लिया, बिल्कुल भी आनंद नहीं आ रहा। अगर यहाँ भी डीजे बज रहा होता या पार्टी चल रही होती, आप इतना झूम के नाचते, कौन देख रहा है कौन नहीं देख रहा है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। क्योंकि भगवान के जन्म उत्सव पर नृत्य करने में शर्म आ रही है भैया, थक जाएंगे, घुटने दर्द कर जाएंगे। और जिनके नृत्य करने से जन्म जन्म के चक्कर से छूट जाओगे, छुटकारा पा जाओगे, उनके नृत्य नहीं करना। हाँ जगन्नाथ नाचना है, जगन्नाथ बड़ी बड़ी आंखें उनकी देख रही हो, कौन कंजूसी कर रहा है, कंजूसी नहीं करनी। हाँ जाएंगे। नंद लाला जन्म लियो फिर जग लगवा, ओ नंद के आनंद भरो, 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 नंद के आनंद भरो। ओ हाथी पिनो घोड़ा पिनो, हाथी पिनो पालकी, हाथी पिनो घोड़ा पिनो, हाथी पिनो पालकी। नंद के आनंद भरो, नंद के आनंद भरो, नंद के आनंद भरो। जियो श्याम लाला, जियो श्याम लाला, तेरी पगड़ी रंग काला। जियो श्याम लाला, जियो श्याम लाला, तेरी पगड़ी सबको मिलेगा महाप्रसाद, ठीक है? सबको महाप्रसाद। महाराज जी भी आगे अपना हाथ आना। और मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ पीछे वाले अभी तक बैठे हुए चेयर पे आना, खड़े हो जाओ। ब्रह्मांड के मालिक श्री कृष्ण का जन्म उत्सव, खड़े हो जाओ। शर्म नहीं करनी, हाथ आगे बोलो बधाई हो, बधाई हो। हर चीज चलनी उड़ी लड्डू हरे यशोमति घर आनंद हरिया 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 जोर से बोलना, ठीक है? आनंद के लाला की। एक बार ये आवाज वृंदावन धाम गोकुल धाम पे जानी चाहिए। बोलो मैया बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो। ऐसी ओ हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। क्योंकि हमारे कृष्ण के नाम इनकी आवाज आने दो। वृंदावन में ताली बजा के बजाओ ना ताली। हाँ वृंदावन में कुछ गली में हाथ आपकी क्या होते हैं ऐसे जो जाते नीचे। हाँ कैमरे एक घंटा और कर लो। हाथ जोर से बोलना है, फिर हाथ को नीचे नहीं करना। बोला हरे कृष्णा। देखो इतने सारे लोग हुआ, पीछे तक आवाज आ रही मेरी। हरे कृष्णा। ये बोले इन बच्चों की आवाज आ रही है, क्या बोल रहे हो भैया? प्रसाद है राधा का भोज। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम झूमना है। राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे देखो 5 मिनट है हमारे पास। हरि बोलना है, बोलने में क्या करना है? जंप करना है, इसको छूना है। समझ गए? मैं बोलूंगा हरि, जैसे बोलेंगे बोल, क्या करना है? चलना है, जंप करना है, उसको छूना है, तोड़ना नहीं, छूना है। तो आप सब रेडी हैं? राधे राधे। हाथ खा लो, फिर हाथ खा लो। हरि अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी मत करो, ये अभी नहीं हुआ, कर नहीं पाएंगे। चलो दोबारा से, आप सब, मैं अकेला। लास्ट वाला खाओ। हरि कुछ निकट गया अपने बीच, ठीक से नहीं हुआ बेबी। चलो लास्ट बार करते हैं, ठीक है? ये लास्ट चांस है। खाओ, ले लो हैंड। हरि बोल बोला मैंने, फोकस तो रहो कीर्तन में। अब ये लास्ट है, ठीक है? पीछे पीछे तक थाम में तो मेरी आवाज जा रही है। जगन्नाथ जी देख रहे हैं बड़ी बड़ी आंखों से। हाथ आओ। ये मैंने क्यों कराया? जमीन से थोड़ा उठाओ, जंप करो, हाथ को उठाओ, उठाओ। क्या बोला? हो हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल।